How to clean your home and office without breaking a sweat? First step, examine your place on how dirty it is. Second step, don't be a hero and waste your precious time on cleaning. Instead, contact A&B Pro Cleaning, the best professional house cleaning services in Seattle, Washington. We offer online booking, instant pricing, no complicated options, no contracts, no crazy upsell, or unexpected charges. Our cleaners are trained to the highest industry standards. Our employees are trustworthy and are held accountable to our standards. They go through a comprehensive training and safety program and comply with all federal and state laws and regulations. We are committed to offering fast, reliable service at a price that makes sense. Backed by our 100% quality service guarantee. If you are not absolutely delighted with the service, we will reservice the area within 48 hours of notification for free. Keep your house, office and rental property clean and fresh with our premium cleaning services at a price that makes sense. You'll enjoy the benefits of a full-time housekeeper without the cost. Our moving out cleaning services will also ensure you get your full refund. Step 3. Relax and enjoy your day. Step 4. Enough watching and dial 425-243-1617 so can schedule a service. Step 5. Recommend us to your friends and family so they can have a spotless home and office like yours. What are you waiting for? Contact us today.